Minasan konnichiwa, Samurai Engineer desu. So in this video, we will explain the next important tool, instrument. We have the T-square. So T-square is a large instrument. Okay, so we'll use this one. So we have what we call head, okay, and the rule. So you will attach the head to this. Okay, so attaching it like this, very simple, very easy to do. So there is a what here, the provision for attachment. So you can just insert it here. So here, like this one. Okay, so it's already attached here. Okay, so the most important thing is the 90 degrees orientation of this head to this rule. Okay, so a T-square is a technical instrument used by draftsmen primarily as a guide for drawing horizontal lines on a drafting table. So we have table here, so we need to use this T-square, and actually the important use of T-square is that it is the reference of our triangles or other ruler, okay, for horizontal lines. Okay, the instrument is named after its resemblance to the letter T because of its shape, and also it is also called blade. Okay, this one is also called blade sometimes, and again this is also called stock or head, as I told you a while ago. So stock or head attached to the blade. So this blade, so it looks like this. So this is a T square. Okay. So this T square is size 900 mm because of this. We have 900 mm. This means 900 mm from the corner here. This is this zero. This is the zero. Okay, to 90. 90 centimeter is equal to 900 mm. Okay, so it is less than 1 meter. Okay, so there are several sizes of T square. In addition to horizontal lines, T square can also be used with a set of square to draw vertical or diagonal lines. For example, here. Okay, so if you fix this, you can fix this. Okay, the T square could be fixed this by here. Okay, anchoring it, fix it, stabilizing it like this. You can stabilize it like this at the side. Okay, you can stabilize it at the side. You can move it up and down without changing the horizontal orientation. So always it is horizontal. So if you push it up, you can draw a horizontal line that is parallel to the one below. If you push it up again, you can draw again the horizontal line here that is again parallel to the one below. So it's very easy to draw horizontal line or lengthy horizontal line, longer horizontal line, which are parallel to each other. Very important to have that function because of the look at the drawing. So we need so many horizontal and parallel lines. So that is one function. Also in conjunction with square, for example, triangles like this. So if you, this is now stable, and then you need to draw diagonal lines, parallel diagonal lines here. So you can draw one and then push it to the left or to the right. You can draw another uh, diagonal lines. For example, here, I will show you. Here, this one. It's very easy to draw so many diagonal lines. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are plenty of diagonal lines at a very short period of time. Okay? Because of the stable position of T square. Because it is anchored on the side here. It's anchored on the side. Okay? So this is fixed on the side. Cannot very hard to move it like this. Okay? And on the other direction. Okay? So it is fixed on the side of the table. Okay? So with that, we can easily create parallel lines. Okay? So those are very important thing and repeated drawing of parallel lines. Repetitive function, very important, using T square. So as you can see, it is a transparent blade, so you can also see through it. So you can have a function that, as you can see, you can fix the paper against the T square by making the border parallel to the center of the T square. Here, okay? I am showing you here, okay? The border here coincides now with this center line of this T square. So it can draw lines which are parallel by just what? By just writing it, then pushing it up or down, then another parallel line can be drawn immediately. Okay? So that's the beauty of this. But before that, you need to fix also your or stabilize your paper by putting on tape here. So 4 corners, you have to tape at every corners so that if you move the T square, the paper will not move with it. So by putting on masking tape, we actually use masking tape on the 4 corners of the paper. So here, so use masking tape here. Also masking tape on the upper corner and on the next corner here. Masking tape and the last corner here. So put masking tape. So that each and every movement of our T square, the paper will not move with it. Okay, so it's like that. You can also immediately verify the parallelism of T square and the paper here. You can verify. Okay, so moving up, moving down. Okay, so this one could be easily be made by using T square by just these 2 lines and this third line and fourth line can be easily be made by using T square. Okay, like that. Write down the borderline, the next borderline, and borderline. Okay, particularly the guidelines. The guides, for example, the guidelines for lettering, you can easily draw it like that. Okay, using your pencil. Okay, so again, this is Dr. Rippy, preaching engineering for nation building.